In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Zoom previous meetings. For those of you who regularly use Zoom for online meetings, knowing how to access the details of your past meetings can be incredibly useful. Whether you need to review meeting conduct, verify attendance, or simply keep track of what's been discussed, Zoom offers an easy way to review this information. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. To start, make sure you're at your computer and have the Zoom application installed and ready. Go ahead and open Zoom on your PC. Once it's open, you'll need to sign in with your account credentials. This step is important because Zoom needs to know who you are to access your meeting history. Once you've signed in and you're on the main Zoom interface, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. What you want to do next is click on the option that says Meetings. Once you've clicked Meetings, you'll be taken to a screen where you can manage your meeting-related activities. This is where the magic happens. Next, take a look at the tabs available. You should see a tab labeled Previous. Select this tab. By doing this, you'll now be able to view a list of meetings that you have either hosted or attended in the past. This view is really handy for accessing all the necessary details at a glance. Now, you're probably wondering how you can dive deeper into the specifics of a certain meeting. It's very straightforward. All you have to do is click on the meeting you're interested in. This will open up more detailed information about that particular meeting. You'll find valuable details such as the meeting ID, which can be helpful if you need to reference the meeting again. You'll also see how long the meeting lasted and who the participants were. This information can be very helpful for documentation or follow-up purposes. This process not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures that you have easy access to important information about your meetings. It's a great way to keep track of what's happened and follow up as necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you unlock a world of information about your past interactions and engagements on Zoom. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay organized and make the most out of your Zoom meetings.